Welcome to our introduction to the Failure Mode Effect Analysis Tool, or FMEA. Everyone who runs any project or manages a team should know about this tool. It helps manage risks across projects and exciting processes. In this article, we'll explore how FMEA can help you systematically identify, evaluate, and prioritize potential failures before they occur, improving both your processes and products. First, let's define what FMEA is. Failure Mode Effect Analysis, or FMEA, is a systematic approach used to identify potential failure modes within a system, assess their impact, and determine actions to mitigate those risks. This proactive tool is designed to catch problems before they happen, saving you time, resources, and potential headaches down the line. Now, why is FMEA so important in project management and Lean Six Sigma? Simply put, it's a critical tool for managing risks, enhancing quality, and achieving operational excellence. By using FMEA, you're not just reacting to issues, you're anticipating and preventing them. This not only leads to higher efficiency and cost savings, but also boosts customer satisfaction and ensures compliance with regulatory and safety requirements. FMEA is versatile and effective across multiple industries. Whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, automotive, or another sector, FMEA helps improve reliability and effectiveness. For example, in the automotive industry, FMEA is used to analyze the potential failure modes of car components, leading to safer and more reliable vehicles. In healthcare, it helps prevent errors in patient care processes, enhancing patient safety and outcomes. So, what are the main benefits of using FMEA? Let's break them down. Proactive risk management. FMEA helps identify and mitigate potential failures before they occur, reducing the likelihood of costly errors. Enhanced product and process quality. By addressing failure modes and their effects, FMEA leads to improvements that increase reliability and effectiveness. Improved customer satisfaction. Less rework, defects, and failures result in higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Efficiency and cost savings. FMEA leads to more efficient processes, reducing waste and saving on production costs. Compliance and safety. FMEA helps ensure products and processes meet regulatory and safety requirements by identifying and addressing potential risks. In the following article, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to conduct an FMEA. You'll learn how to break down a system into its components, analyze potential failure modes, assess their effects, and determine preventive actions. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to implement FMEA in your projects effectively. Thank you for watching. For more insights and tools, visit our website and join our community of professionals dedicated to excellence.